Welcome to another installment of our ongoing web series about making cocktails. Today we're gonna, or in this segment I should say, we're gonna focus on this watermelon syrup. We're gonna make a nice little alcohol-free, refreshing cocktail with our watermelon syrup. So we're, I got an open bottle over here. If you're making these drinks at home, I recommend throwing this in the refrigerator for a little bit, like I have. It just makes it easier to keep it nice and cold. So there's an ounce of watermelon to an ounce of lime juice. It's going to be a nice way to balance that out. We're going to take a few of these cucumbers. We'll take a couple of cucumbers in there and muddle those. Cucumber and watermelon love each other. We also make a cucumber and watermelon syrup. This is just the watermelon syrup. Okay, I'm going to put just the smallest pinch of salt in the drink. And then grab ourselves a column glass. When you're making non-alcoholic drinks, there's a few things that are always kind of you're weighing against, is how to bring complexity to the drink. So some ways to do that is to find interesting ways to make it less sweet. Another thing is just to add touches here and there to kind of make the drink a little more than just one note, like watermelon. So we're doing watermelon with a hint of cucumber, and then, I mean, it's the right time of year. If watermelon's out, so are some really great herbs. So we have mint and we have basil. So in this cocktail, we're gonna use a little basil. I'm just gonna take a few of these leaves right here. Put the rest aside for garnish. You know what? We're going to spoil ourselves here with a little there you go, a little salt on the rim there. Soda water. I like to put the soda water in the bottom of the glass. I think it mixes better than just putting it on top and hoping you can stir it in. It's not the longest shake. When I'm putting stuff over ice, I generally don't shake it as long as I would if I was serving it up. You can see that color is just really pretty. Go ahead and garnish that with a little more basil. Careful not to knock the salt off the side you salted. Maybe even sneak in one more ice cube. There you go. Enjoy.